my YouTube and welcome back to another video. As promised from the Fontana video, we're over Hungway. So we'll be doing a little tour. We have intentions of actually, probably coming and using some of the facilities here. Yes. Soon. So we're gonna check it out and take you along with this tour. So Hungway, we call it Hungway Shopping Mall. Yeah, it is Pines Portmore, right across from Scotiabank, right across from the Sovereign Village, the gas station. It's hard to miss. So we're gonna take you around the facilities. Okay, so we have no idea where we are. This is just like a haberdashery. Oh, they got TVs? Oh, really? 38,000. That's crazy. In your Super 11. See, there's Super 11. The store name that I'm trying to say. My store has it for 900. About of them price. Yeah. 7,500. Well, they go back, babe. We want people to see our inner looks. We're at the mall, right? Like the woman was told by the employee, like, don't spray the perfume. There's a sample. There's or him does say the sample there right there. So he's like, them hard. It did it in front of them, and she want the one what she thinks she can buy, and she almost like the scent, That's why they don't have the sample bottles. Come in. I said come. 8, 9. The Lasco. How much? But how much them have my coils for? Oh, 15.5. Yeah, it is. Oh God, they got some big ass teddy bears. The other way. I don't know. The LED light strips, lights, how much for you, sir? 2,500? How much you pay for full one? $18. I'll pay for your shipping and all them something there. Definitely. But we got 2 strips. This come like Linton, it give me that vibe that people. Linton Mart. I get a vibe that in Linton Mart.
Yeah, but like a...
This feel posh. This feel posh and clean. Linton kinda, it's been through the motions. Oh, the people them. Oh, it's spin map bucket. Yo, people my out over there now. Me get excited over a map bucket. I lie, I tell. I true me start. I lie. I clean the house. But you see, people when they warm your man, house spotless. Them have clothes. People can come shop. Jesus, a lingerie that. Watch it. Kinky outfit, me can't manage. If you don't like to role play, not judging. I feel clean. I feel nice. First, me I reach over here. It's nice. Father, my own. I look for socks because Wednesday ever thief the one them. You want them?
100 a piece.
Oh, arena. Arenas. I'm going to buy one. Yeah, they don't have marina this. Oh, see them here? Yeah, because I eat more, go sleep. More, one more. They don't have any medium, like regular.
Oh, yeah, no, this side.
See them there that says large, not a medium. Oh, look, we come. You something like Chinese shopping, you come for us, look, and we are buy things, people. Alright, find a medium. See price here. Alright, so we only have a few minutes on the camera, so we're gonna have to kind of wrap up in here. There's a lot of other stores, I'm assuming, and a lot of empty stores as well. Oh, there's a fitting room right here. You ready for? You ready for go? Is there some more things for the back?
Baby section.
Alright, people have babies, you know. Oh, they have shoes. What do you think this for wedding shoes are in? Two cheap? Whoa, upon the price. Gabby. Take it. The school barber? The school barber? They got press on nails. Boy, my feet, I don't like the cheapness, you know, but them kind of look nice. Yeah, with the sheet on them, they look well cheap. Them don't look too bad. I guess we're going upstairs. Why? Still not see nothing decent. I don't know where we're going. Oh, there's stores along right here. But most of these stores look unoccupied at the moment. Oh, there's a store right here. I don't know if them open. Probably not open today. People. No, so we are go upstairs and we can't reach nowhere yet. A bare empty stores. If you have a business, and we have only probably the business. No, sir. Yeah, man, we can't don't reach. We can't reach somewhere. Alright, Orin look confused. But they're on top and we can't. No, father. Bombard is a maze. Boy. Hey. We don't reach some restaurant. Yeah, man, we must reach some restroom. Rotted. May I get tired, may I get delirious. I must the restaurant this. Uy. The tired. Oh my god. Why? What is it? No, I'm afraid. I don't want to go higher. I'm afraid at this point.
So the
conference room.
You want to get smart.
Woo! Oh, they want to get married too. Bamba, I'm going to come check on it. I joke at people them not give up with deposit. Where people look Pines Portmore, come on show no. Yes. Come on show no angry view, right? We see yourself. Yeah, yes. The Portmore develop. That's how traffic are killed in a bad side. Right, small police station, yes. And breathe loud. This is shopping office. People are holding up things up here. Bare big emptiness. I don't know where I go. Father help me. Where restaurant the people that we're trying to find? Alright, so we find a restaurant. My last. The whole floor is the whatever this is. It's really. There's a dental office right here. Of course, it's closed. It's a Sunday. There's something else here. At the dental place, dentistry. Okay. A lower view. Okay. Alright guys, I've actually seen more things towards the bottom. This name rocket ship. And this right here is our next fashion store. It's a kids and more fresh beats. Alright, so if you're picking them fresh beats, this your cat's baby boutique, big fashion for little ones. Maybe a clothing store there, so the one dry up food place we can't find. We'll go down again. Eh? Oh. Oh. We'll find it, yay! We finally found it. But is it closed? Oh, it doesn't open until 5 p.m. Okay, so this is what we were trying to find. Plat Du Jour, a little something for everyone. What is the first floor, second floor, something like that. When we go down, we mark the steps them. But it's Sunday to Saturday, 5 to 11. Okay, so you can't hear me now. So it's Sunday to Saturday, 5 to 11. So they're not open as yet. Plat Du Jour. I don't know which ground, which floor this is. This is the first floor, Orange says. So we're gonna have to just call in because we wanted to go in there and see if we could have managed a larger party for dinner. But yeah, we don't know. They're not open. So later we'll do that. We'll just call in. But we'll find it. Yeah. But most of the buildings or most of the stores are unoccupied at the moment. There's a lot going on here, front and back. So that's the back, right? And we're coming off of the front. So as Orin says that there's a lot of dead spaces. They're unutilized at the moment. I mean, I guess the plaza new and Ufa say, oh, you mean in between? A shop not in between them there. I mean, they must know why. Alright, so we're on the ground again. Oh, it's like some hardware. It's cool. Oh, this is some hardware. Oh, the construction is keeping in here, so it looks like. Let me see. Almost there. Alright, so it's the restaurant right here, right as you go up the first 2 flights of stairs. There's a lot of empty space there. The dentistry, wow, so far up with it there. Up there. And lots of like half of the floor, like to that side, is like a conference center. So if you have events and them stuff there, I guess.